What's good, producers? It's your boy Mikasa here. In this video we are about to review some of the beats that you guys submit here on Discord. As you can see, I received some fire beats here. I hope they are fire, and let's hear them together. Okay, the first guy is Ikimbach, if I said it right, and let's check out his first beat and tell me what do you think about these producers. Are they improving? Are they making better beats and stuff like that? So let's check out the first guy. Fire. Shout out to Ikimbach. This is really big fire. Going to turn up the volume a little bit. This transition is crazy, bro. Shout out to Ikimbach, very good beat, bro. Yo, this is crazy beat. I like this transition, bro. The arrangement is very good. Shout out to Ikimbach, very good beat. I got already some from George. Shout out to George. He's a very active guy here on Discord. He makes some fire beats. I will check him later in this. I have placed some of his beats because I think he made a whole album of the beats, but we're gonna check a few of them. Okay, so for now let's check out this one, Made Different, from George. Let's check out this one. Oh, as I remember, this is one of my loops. Ooh, the bass. Oops, it's so far. The beat drop was very fire. I like that. With the bass now. The intro, I liked the beat drop. Beat drop was super fire. I like how we really sampled the whole loop. Shout out to George. And let's check out the another beat. So we got again Ikimbach, one more. So let's check out his beat. He's called probably Cash, as I can see. So let's check it out. Okay, the loop is fire. Loop is fire. There we go. Ooh, the wall beat, bro. Straight fire again. Ikimbach is I like that snare roll. It was super fire, super cool. But let's hear it one more time. Super fire. Let's go with the next beat. Okay, we got Ikimbach again. So let's check out the Spider-Man. And again, we are check out the Let You Play Too Much again. So this is Spider-Man. Let's check out the Spider-Man's beat. Although the guitar is cool, I like the guitar. Vocals, I can hear vocals in the background. Oh, I like that roll. Flow change, I like that. Really cool summer rain. Today very fit to this beat, this music and stuff. We just made like a little mixtape on the beat. I like this. Okay, we got drill beat now. Ooh, I like that. Very good beat from Spider-Man again. Spider-Man is going fire again. I like his beat. Like when I was listening to the first video, it was super fire. This one sounds amazing. I like this. As I said, name fits very to the beat. I got two more beats from George. These are one from album, so let's check it out. I have loaded them in Apple Studio, so let's check it out.
Hey, Pat, you play too much.
The sample and the background vocals, just pure fire. It's back. It kind of reminds of the old days and stuff like that. It's super cool. Let's hear the drums. Let's hear the drums. Piano is amazing. Fire piano. Melody is just beautiful. Piano and those vocals in the background, it's what makes me feel very nostalgic in this video. Super cool. It's, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the old days, you know. Shout out to George, and let's hear one more beat from him. It's Feeling Myself, so let's check this one out.
Hey, Pat, you play too much.
I like the reverse part here.
This beat is crazy.
Oh, the back. Drums are crazy here. Like I think the intro was super fire, but this one beat, the first beat was just pure fire, pure vibe. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for this. If you want to check all these beats, feel free to go to Discord, check out these beats submitted by you guys. I hope you enjoyed these beats and feel free to continue sending the beats. I'm going to upload the video right now and mention everyone so you can keep sending the beats and we can do another review. And shout out to everyone. Feel free to join Discord. Link will be down below where we will do again super fire beat battle. This thing is gonna be huge. This thing is gonna be crazy. So I'm waiting for you guys. I'm going to join this thing by myself. As you can see, we have already 16 producers that are gonna battle. Of course, for the best places, we will give awards. So, why are you waiting? Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.